Hey, Danielle DeAngelo from Signature Choice Realty here. Are you a first-time home buyer and don't know how to get started with the home buying process? Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you out. One of the first things you'll need to do is find a lender. Once you pick a lender, the lender will begin the pre-approval process for you. What this typically means is that the lender will do a credit check, pulling your credit reports, verifying your income, assets, debts, and then they also take a look at your debt-to-income ratio. After doing this, a lender will be able to determine if you will be able to qualify for a loan and how much you qualify for. Once you receive your official pre-approval letter and you feel like you're ready to buy a home, then we can get started. I can then begin to pull listings that match the price range and style home you're looking for. After you go through the list of inventory on the market and let me know which homes you're interested in, I can then contact those listing agents and schedule showings for us to view the homes in person or on FaceTime if you live out of the state or the city. If you like the home and you're ready to make an offer, then I will let the listing agent know and begin writing up the contract and hope the seller accepts so we can put your new home under contract. Once the house is under contract, you can then have a home inspection done on the property, usually during the due diligence period. Shortly after the due diligence period, your lender will send out an appraiser to appraise the property to make sure it is valued at the purchase price. As long as everything goes smoothly with that, then all we have to do is wait until closing day so you can sign the necessary documents to make the house officially yours. So, if you think you're ready to get this pre-approval process started, call or text me at 229-474-7467 so I can help you turn a house into your home.